Hi guys, I'm Jess, and this is my golden retriever Hudson. We've been living out of the back of my 2017 Hyundai Tucson, camping, traveling, cooking, and exploring all over the US. If you love the outdoors and want to see our adventures roaming the country and discovering some really cool places, please like, subscribe, turn your notifications on, and continue watching. Good morning. Wow. Oh, my hair's crazy. Hudson. Hudson. Hello. Yeah, he had breakfast. Now we're letting him pee. Yeah. Yes, sir. We do get hot here during the day, but overnight his water freezes like every time, so it does get cold. You're getting it all dirty now, dude. Oh, you're so cute. Can you get it? You need help? Oh, let me flip it up for you. Oh, that's harder than I thought. There, you want it? Oh, what a cutie. Hello, Hudson. I made us climb back in the car because I was still tired. It's 9:30 now and Hudson is really over it, so we're gonna get up. For breakfast, we're taking a tortilla and we're throwing some peanut butter on it. Hudson will get some peanut butter too. To really spice it up, I threw some blueberries on there. Hudson did have some peanut butter. I'm gonna roll this up and eat it. Peanut butter blueberry breakfast burrito. It is delicious. I mean, I love peanut butter, so you really can't go wrong. It's 10 o'clock. We're finally getting our butts on the move here. We're gonna go to Bell Rock and Courthouse Butte and do that loop. We did a Bell Rock loop the other day. It was Bell Rock and Llama Loop. So we're just gonna go back to that area. And who knows? I don't know if that's exactly what we'll do, but there's like a bunch of trails that split off of that area. We made it. We parked over there. Yeah. Ready to go walking? Currently walking towards the Bell Rock climb with Hudson. We climbed Cathedral Rock yesterday. So we're gonna see if we can climb this today. Don't know how it's gonna go. It is behind us right there. Yeah, gonna attempt to climb it with them. We're just gonna take our time. Wrong way. Let's follow the trail. What do you think about that? Come on. There's not like a super defined path to go up this rock. So we're just scrambling. We're gonna keep going. Yeah, continuing to climb. Huh? Looking pretty cool. We just made up a tough section for you, huh? Yeah. You're a good scrambler though. Time to keep scrambling up there. Okay, let's keep going. Letting him be a goat right now. He's doing great. You're doing great. Keep going. My little billy goat. We made it to the top, huh, buddy? Good job. Look at you. Oh, how awesome is this? Let's stay. Courthouse Butte is right there. Butte. climbing down. And it is impossible to show you how sketchy this is with Hudson. So, we're just gonna put the phone away. Yeah, wow, it's gorgeous. We need to focus on not dying. All right, hold on. Hold on. Climbing down is so much harder. You can get yourself up any place. Yeah, let's just not die climbing down, okay, Hudson? Good plan. We successfully navigated our way all the way back down from up there. Pretty sweet, dude. You did freaking awesome. You did so good. You're my little billy goat. Yeah, you are. You did freaking fantastic. Oh, got a chopper up there. Huh? All right, we have finished our hike back all the way down to where the trail splits into different paths. So we finished climbing Bell Rock, and now we're on the Courthouse Butte or Butte Trail. I don't know how you say it. B-U-T-T-E. Courthouse Butte. Don't know. We're on that trail. Nice and flat, so pretty lame, but you know, we'll check it out. I'm sitting in the shade, taking a break. He's having some water. I'm sweating my friggin' butt off. I had some water too. It's a hot day. This is our view. Just chilling. No. Hudson, you gotta stop chasing lights. Pretty sure this is the Courthouse Butte or Butte from the other side. What the heck is that like light shining on here? Hudson is super handsome. Checking out all these rocks. Oh yeah. This is just a cool looking spire over here. Yeah, and a cool looking golden retriever. He needs some off-leash time. He still has like 10 times the amount of energy I do right now. I think we've got like 3 miles left on this loop. Feelings update. Don't know if I did one yesterday, but feeling good today. Like this is the new normal. Like this is what I should be doing in life. I'm happy. I'm a little tired right now, actually. Could have used another half hour of sleep, but Huts wanted to really get up, so. Other than that, I'm doing really good today. Can I just say I think $300 for riding a bicycle on this trail is an insane fine. That's crazy. Who made up that number? That's so high. A bicycle? Come on, man. Hey, Hudson. Check out this butt. Did you touch the butt? No, but we did touch the bell. All right. Later, Courthouse. We got 1.5 miles left. We walked 3.5 miles. I'm ready to be done. I gotta go to the bathroom. And there's too many people on this trail to just like duck off. So, yeah. 1.5 miles. This is the view we're getting in the middle of our walk around Courthouse Butte. I think it's Courthouse Butte. I like it Courthouse Butte better, so that's what I'm gonna go with. What do you think? You don't care what I call it? Cool. We're like 1/2 mile or so from being back now. I'm dying. I gotta get this hoodie off. I think Hudson is pretty freaking hot too. There's Bell Rock and whatever you call it, Courthouse Butte behind us. Okay. Boom, boom, boom. Let's go. Hallelujah. We're back to this point. Just up this path back to the parking lot. Let's go. It's like less than 1/2 mile. Oh yeah, buddy. Time to get rid of Hudson's bag of crap. Alright, let's go to the car. Right over there. Oh yeah, back at the car. Fresh and clean. Heading back to the car. This is my outfit. I got shorts on. It's hot today. I'm not trying to get hit by this freaking car. Okay. Hi, Boo Thing. You're cute. Oh, you're so well behaved. I know. I tried to be quick. Okay. I'm back. Back to the boy with the groceries. We're about to drive and head back to camp now. You ready to go, buddy? Yeah. You're such a good boy. We'll get back and we'll get you DIN and ER. Hudson's eating dinner and I'm making some quesadillas. Or, yeah, cheese tortillas. And I bought sour cream, so it's gonna be good. Oh, and I bought hot sauce the other day, so delish. This is the finished product. We got some quesadillas. Here's the hot sauce and sour cream. Let's eat it. This is what we got going on. Some hot sauce to dip it in. Sour cream. Finally. I've been missing flavor in my food. Hot sauce and sour cream with just cheese and a tortilla. Freaking delicious. We got cows moving over here. You gotta stay close to me. Stay over here. Come here. Come here. Okay, I gotcha. We have to walk by these guys. I don't really want to. He's got freaking horns. Hudson, knock it off. Come on. Come on. Can you calm down? I was walking you by the cows. Don't be such a butthead. We made it past the cows successfully. No thanks to this boy. Yeah. You're freaking out trying to slip your collar. Yeah. Oh, and there's behind our cars moving through. Oh, do you see the little baby? There's the little baby. So cute. Give you the nightly sunset view. Got nice pink skies going on right now. Yeah. Quite gorgeous out here. The sun has already dipped below the horizon over there. Hudson and I were just playing some tug of war, huh, bud? Yeah. Oh, give me that. Alright, I'm gonna get it for you. Ready? Look at that. Can I have it? Can you drop it? Okay. Go get it. Oh, what a beautiful boy. Yeah. Yes, you are.